Hello and welcome to Joyful Tune-ins. Today we're going to talk about core healing, or the concept on core healing. So core healing occurs, and this is energetic, psychological, it's emotional, and physical. The core healing can relate to any traumas and wounds that have carried over into this lifetime from past lifetimes or even from alternative lifetimes that were manifest in your early childhood and or in your in utero or birthing experience. So essentially, your core healing involves that place between past lives and age 8 in this current lifetime. So when you go back in review and energetically to tap into these unconscious parts, you begin to bring forth what we call awareness of core healing, or really the cause of many emotional, psychological, mental, and physical challenges, shall we say, diseasements, illnesses, accidents, bad luck. And there's a reason for this. The soul wants to be clear, wants to remain free of all impediments, baggages, emotional baggage. It is said, like, for the flight to New Earth, there is no carry-on baggage. So this lifetime is about taking care of our baggage, taking care of the wounds that have binded us into the past, into the matrix. We are here to free ourselves from the matrix, are we not? You can look at inner child wounding, be it a sense of victim, sabotage, any sense of hurt that has caused internal psychological pain and stress. These are the core woundings. Past lives are being put to death for your beliefs, or being outcast from the community because of your beliefs. Going against the current, being the rogue light worker, many things like this. Can be carryovers into this lifetime called stress, called unconscious worry. So we all have the ability to heal these things through awareness and through embracing all of our experiences with a sense of compassion and love. We can do this. It's not hard. It just takes practice. It takes commitment. It takes being responsible, mostly committed to knowing the truth of who you really are. And all healing can be joyous. So remember this, when you do your core healing, healing doesn't have to be painful. It doesn't have to be agonizing. It can be very joyous. It can be very liberating and freeing. Like birth and death and enlightenment, it can be very joyous. So we wish you the best in your core healing. And remember, all souls go through the dark night of the soul. They go through their Saturn return and their midlife crisis. We all can do it. Keep the faith. Keep the faith. Until next time, many blessings.